Leo, these are your two other scales. I want you to do all of your scales now, but I want you to do this wah cry. Please make sure you warm up with the wee falsetto beforehand, okay? Have a listen to me. We're going to start in the middle of your range, just relaxing. Wah. Let's keep going. Me and you, same one. Wah. Let's keep going. Wah. We're going to move quick. Wah. Keep going, smiling. Wah. Wah. Put that sob in. Wah. I want you to sob. Don't yell it out. First note's loudest, bottom note's the quietest. Let's smile to the first note. Hands to your side. Look into the mirror. Let's do that. Let's do that one again. Wow. Wow. Let's keep going. Wow. Wow. Myself. Coming down. True voice. Wow. Wow. Myself. Keep going. Bring your volume down a little bit, Leo. Very quiet, Leo. Whoa. Very quiet. Whoa. No crying down at the bottom for the last 6 or 7. No crying on that. It's crying just up in the top range. We're going to do a jumping scale from this key. We're going to jump 1, 3, and 5 intervals. Okay, have a listen to me. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Let's move up the semitone. Let's go again. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. By yourself, Leo. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Let's smile on all of them. Okay, make sure we're smiling. Don't yell out the top note. Put a little sob into the 5. So it's 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Keep it going. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Keep it going. Okay, now Leo, we're going to put 3 and 5 into falsetto. 1 is true voice. Please listen to me. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Me and you, let's do it together. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. Me and you, let's go. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. By self, Leo. And one more.